Jeez Louise, Katie, shouldn't a food blogger clean her kitchen to shoot a video? I'm no food blogger. I'm a busy mom. And this is no food blogger's kitchen. This is a real, working, messy, crazy kitchen. You know what that means? It means I need tools that are quick, easy to clean, and non-toxic too. Is that too much to ask? For years it was. Cast iron's awesome, except sometimes when it comes to eggs. But 3 months ago, I started trying out a Caraway ceramic pan. This is non-toxic, doesn't leach, and it's non-stick. I shared that on Instagram and right away people said, I'll be interested to see how that lasts. Because it cooked eggs really well, really smooth. Just like our traditional toxic Teflon coated pan, you do have to use only plastic utensils for scrambled eggs. I like my spoonula. And you do have to be careful not to put anything else metal in it. We've already screwed it up. We have one big scratch in there. Nobody knows where it came from. I'm guessing we set something in it in the sink. Very sad. But in 3 months of very consistent use, it's held up. It still cooks eggs exactly the way it did the day we got it, and it is so fast to clean, which I love. I really needed a little bit of that in my life. So far, other than having to sort of treat it very gently, there aren't any other bad things I can really say about the Caraway pan. It's sturdy, it's not too heavy, not as heavy as cast iron. All my kids know how to use it. The husband knows how to use it. We saute in this. And you know what, something else is nice too, is that you can't do tomato-based sauces in the cast iron, but you can in this. So you could make like a nice little pan glaze, a little tomato-based pan glaze. So I'm a huge fan. Katie Kimball at Kitchen Stewardship, full review of Caraway. You can read the post for more information on toxicity of Teflon and non-toxicity of ceramic. But so far, this is my baby for making eggs.